Hi, it's Renee. Excuse me. I got just a few things to show today. I went to a store and I found a lemon stamp, a fruit stamp, and I think that's a pear. And me and my cousin do canning, so that's perfect for that. And then off of Temu, I don't know if I showed this one. I got sorry, I forgot to pull this one out. I got a birthday box, or a box with birthday balloons coming out of it, and I thought that was cute. And then me and my friends have been going around our state and seeing different historical stuff and just different attractions. And we went to Sakakawia's Native American village. It's Knife River Indian villages. And I got these stickers off of Amazon, Amazon. And then I found some other stickers with Sakakawi on it. So that would go perfect with that. And then off of Temu, I don't know if I showed this one. I didn't know these were this big. I got some huge wooden paw prints that I can use for my cats or dogs. I didn't know they were that big, and I grabbed them anyway. And then recently, I got to go see an actual steam engine train that came into my hometown, so all these stickers won't work with it, but there's a couple steam engine ones on here that I can use, so I grabbed that. And then I was at a secondhand store, and I found a pattern, and I thought about it, and I'm like, I bet that would work on doing some of my scrapbook layouts. So I grabbed it. And then today, I got my next kit from scrapbookingstore.com. I did take the kit out of the paper, or out of the packaging, so I wouldn't have too much crinkling. And this one came from Project Life. It's got geosign, stars, arrows, hearts, and circles on it. And then since the first part of the year, me and two of my friends have been going around the state and seeing different things, like I just said. And this is just perfect for that. This entire kit is going to get used up. And then this is Echo Park, Let's Take a Trip. And there is 32 die cuts per packet. And I got 2. So that will work. And then the paper pad is Let's Take a Trip. Yeah. By Echo Park. And let's look at this. I got luggage and other things on that side. Planes on that side. We're not flying, so that's okay. Can use that side. Geotags all over on this side. And cut aparts on this. This side has world attractions around the world. And a rust-colored paper. You don't see that very often. This must be the cardboard page. Set that there so these don't go flying all over the floor. Different salutations. Hello, bonjour, ciao, from all over the world. And a mustard yellow. That's cute. More cut aparts. I like that. And a cloud one. Probably use the cut aparts. Okay, this one's got planes on it, so I won't use that side. Hunter green, that's pretty. I don't see that color very often either. Let's travel the world. Well, we're not traveling the world, we're traveling the state. But that's okay. Oh, I like that side. More cut aparts. Let's take the scenic route. I'll use that. A mint type of green. Travel tags for trip fly. And another rust colored one. I like that. License plates. Let's go. I love to travel. Vacation. That's cute. Chevrons. More cut aparts. And polka dots. This one's perfect. Cars. We're always traveling in a car. And a map. Love it. Oh, sticker sheet. Adventure. Hot air balloon luggage. We're taking a trip where we're going overnight soon, too. A camera. I can definitely use these for the travel ones. That is perfect for me. And I told my friends, we're going to have an entire scrapbook just of our road trips that we're doing. It says on here shows on here there's alphabets. I don't see any alphabets. Did I miss it inside the bag? No, I did not get the alpha stickers with it. Oh, what the heck? Oh well, it's not like I don't have enough. It says there's 207 Bo Bunny stickers, phrases and titles, 32 Adventure Awaits foil sticker sheet, but it doesn't, it shows the letter Alfie or alphas, but it doesn't have it listed on there. That's all right. And then it gives you some ideas for layouts. All right, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day or night wherever you're at, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.